All right, I've been working outside this morning, and now I'm inside. We got a thing at church tomorrow, a remnant roundup, and I'm baking some stuff. I baked some pumpkin. I already mixed up and have in the oven here some pumpkin squares, looking good there. And now I'm mashing this banana to make banana bread, and it's a lot of bananas. I don't like to blend them because then it's too smooth. You want, you want to mash it. So I'm mashing all this banana here. All right. So so we're gonna mix it up and do all that good stuff. But I can't be videoing all the time. And I'm watching church video too. So I'll talk to you later. I'm gonna do some exercises too. Yeah, I gotta get that done. Some stretches later on. I need to do some stretches. Okay, so we got brownies and more brownies and more brownies. Yeah, that's good. We got pumpkin squares. That was the first one in. We got banana bread. And let's cover that back up. And where's the other banana bread? Oh, we got more banana bread. This one is the healthy banana bread with all the good stuff in it, like raisins and blueberry, cranberry, nuts, and all that good stuff.
I don't think this pan working out for me. Maybe those brownie will fit better. Maybe we want them. This one not working out.